I designed a simple solution for this problem. This orange one is for the hexagon slot. The green one is for the rectangular slot. Let's get it off. One print only took about 1 hour. The spool just fits around the holder. Let's push it on the AMS Lite. Here's the one for the other shaft. It can be placed here. Filament spools can be placed very easily. Here are the other two. You can see the hexagon shape inside. The other one has the rectangular shape. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. It's a parametric FreeCAD model. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.